Hello, my name is Renee Brown. I am a 12th grade English teacher at North Cobb High School. I will be doing a study on independent reading in the adolescent classroom. For part of my dissertation, I will be looking at two 10th grade classrooms. I will be securing a permission from the parents at the beginning of the semester because I want to study them pretty much the entire semester. The students will be doing a brief survey at the very beginning to tell me about their reading habits. One of the things I'm looking for is what can we do to move these students from non-readers to readers. So I'm looking at specifically the practice that the district has given us a green light to do, which is 10 minutes of independent read time during the classroom day. And I want to take a look at what we can do to improve student motivation to read. And does that 10 minutes give them some inspiration to actually read more? To do that, I'm also going to be having the teachers do some observations with me for triangulation purposes. I will be selecting students from the surveys that they give, what particular students I want to look at, because I want to look at students who are typically non-readers. And if they become readers as we're going along and I'm seeing them become readers, then I want to know what it is that is making them become readers. So I'll be looking at their surveys and then looking at observations. And then once I pick the 7 to 10 students, I will be following them through the rest of the semester. They will have a focus group for each class, and so I will be talking to them as a group about what is making them want to read. Is it giving them the choice? Is it having a teacher who tells them, here's some ideas about what you might want to read? Is it just having time during the day to read? What is it that's really making those motivational sparks in them and creating that piece? They'll also be doing some reflective journals. I will be doing observations. Again, the teacher's going to be doing observations as well. The idea is to concisely figure out what is contributing positively to moving these students from non-readers to readers. Now, keep in mind that our school typically does participate in the NAEP test, so this is near and dear to my heart in that respect. The strategies that I'm going to be using are going to be more than one class. I'll be using 2 different teachers, but they have a similar expectation in that they're reading at the beginning of class. I will be documenting the observations. I will also be doing this during the spring semester. So I'm hoping that the kids will have a little more motivation in the spring, maybe not in the fall. They will be also using NVivo as a way to process the data. So I will be looking at that for coding. I will be using that for analysis. I will use color streaming as well as word mapping and things like that that are available in NVivo to analyze the data. And then moving forward, I want to publish this as my dissertation. So the topics, I think I covered that, but I want to go back and just double check. We're going to be looking at teacher influence, choice text, and how those impact motivation. Now, to that end, I've also got this particular graph that talks about looking at this as a series of case study. We know current research and reading case studies, Penny Kittle and Kelly Gallagher and Pernille Ripp have all suggested that this is a way to get kids into a bit better reading habit. I want to take what they've done and replicate it and see if this will actually work in my suburban classroom. Our school is about 37% African American, 35% white, 18% Hispanic, and then the remainder is some aggregation of a number of different ethnicities. We have 41% free and reduced lunch, So that's another factor. We're looking at kids who can be very at risk. So that's another reason to look at this in particular. Now, we do have a magnet school that is included in our school. So I will be looking at non-magnet students. And what I'm hoping is that I can identify specific things that are going to be able to be replicated by other teachers to get students to read more. So I look forward to finishing my research, and thank you for listening.